Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Pamper routine or spa routine, whatever you want to call it. I do this about once a month whenever I actually have the time to take care of myself. I'm not saying that I don't take care of myself, but sometimes you need that extra boost. So this is definitely not going to be your typical nighttime or morning routine that I usually have. I'm not going to fasten any of these clips because I feel like this video is supposed to relax you and it's supposed to take its time because, I feel like a spa day to me is not rushing around. It's just taking care of what you need to take care of and just thinking about yourself. You're allowed to be selfish for this one day or 1 hour of your time. So, with me doing my little spa routine, is that I like to wash my face first. Even though I'm going to head into the shower in a couple minutes, I want to wash my face, make sure I get everything off. I did fill in my eyebrows this day, so that's why I'm wiping my eyebrows off. Again, you guys, everything that I use in this video will be linked down below if you want to check them out yourselves. After I wash my face, I just set up to go in the shower, and I'm not washing my hair tonight, not doing any hair masks because I did it the previous night, but normally I will do a hair mask when it comes to a spa night. After the shower, I just put on this little black peel off mask on my nose. I do this after the shower because my pores are open, so I feel like it's going to get all the gunk that is on or in my nose out. It's a lot easier, and you can see more stuff coming out when your pores are open. And then, of course, what is a spa night or a pamper night without some relaxing tea? I usually do this when I'm done with the shower. My little nose mask is still on my nose. I'm actually waiting for it to dry. It takes a good 15 to 25 minutes. So while I wait for it to dry, I might as well just make a nice cup of tea. And by the time I'm done finishing my tea, my nose mask is ready to peel off. So this is like a routine that I normally have, so I'm not constantly waiting for it to dry off. Alright, so I finished my tea and my nose little mask is still not dried, so I'm going to soak my feet, and I'm actually reusing the bowl that goes to one of my plants. I already washed it out instead of me buying like a separate bucket or using those home machines for your feet. I rather do it the cheap way out. So I have these little bath crystals from Christmas from one of my sisters. And I know the camera's a little blurry right now, you guys. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was out of focus, but there it is. Now it's finally in focus. And sorry that my feet look really swollen. That is because I worked a good 13-hour shift. So that's why my feet is swollen. And if you guys do not know, I am a waitress or dietary aide, whatever you want to call it, at a nursing home. So I am on my feet all day long, so that's why they look like that. So while my feet are soaking, I'm just going to check my Instagram, answer some messages. I always try my best to get back to you guys as fast as possible, but you guys know I work a lot of hours. I do want to say thank you for everyone that messages me on there and that follows me. If you are not following me, I'll have that link down below if you want to send me a message or anything like that. I'm trying to be consistent with it, but I also don't want social media to take over my life like it takes over everybody else's. So definitely trying to stay out of that route. Now my nose mask is dry and I can finally peel this off because after a while it gets really uncomfortable. Not to mention this thing hurts while taking it off. So I do it really, really slowly, and I would try my best to show you guys what came out. I know a lot of people like to see that. A lot of whiteheads came out, not much of blackheads. Also, my feet are all done, so I'm just gonna dry those off and clean up this little mess I have going on in the living room. And then I'm going to put my aloe socks on. These socks are really great, especially when you do this like little spa routine for your feet or after you get a pedicure. Just put these socks on. Your feet are extra soft. It's literally like lotion is on your feet without applying lotion. It's kind of weird, but it's really cool. I actually do not dry these socks for them to stay like this, and they smell amazing. So after all of that, I'm going to put a little face mask on that I have purchased from Target. It's the Pacifica one, and this is the first time I am using one of these masks. It was a little bit different to put on. I thought it was like cute, but at the same time, the mask looked really creepy, as you guys can see. But it did have little cutouts of like hearts, so I mean, I guess it made it better, but even with me putting it on, I feel like I look like a serial killer or something. But let's just get past that part. This mask actually made my face feel so smooth, and you guys will see at the end on how my face looks before I go to bed. But this mask is really nice, and I think it was only $3.99. Obviously, it only came with one, but to use it for a spa night or, just any kind of those little pamper routines you guys have, to use one of these masks, I think it's awesome, especially with Pacifica because they don't have any chemicals in their masks and stuff, or in any of their products, I should say. So, I don't know, I think it's worth it. So I do have a timer on for the mask, and it says to keep it on for 20 minutes. So I figured I will watch an episode of You. Again, you guys, this video is pre-recorded, so I've already finished this whole entire season, and this show is awesome. I mentioned this in another video of mine, but it's kind of like suspense, creepy, and a little bit of horror. I don't know if I would give it a try if you guys like Pretty Little Liars and all those kind of shows. You would definitely like this one. I honestly cannot wait for season 2. So yeah, I was just watching this and relaxing. It was a little hard to relax with this mask on. That's why I'm kind of like keep moving my position of watching it. But the mask is definitely worth it. And this is not a sponsored video, you guys. I've got to say that in the beginning. But I think I am going to end up purchasing it again because I've noticed a difference with my face when I used it. Alright, so now it is time to take off the mask. And you guys, I am having a couple little breakouts on that side due to menstrual cycle. If that's a nice way to say it. So now I'm just going to go in with my Versali elixir oil. I forgot the name of it. I will link it down below. I actually bought it on the Versali website because I heard that there were a lot of dupes on Amazon and all those other sites. I know they sell this at Sephora. I wasn't sure that they sold it there, so I did buy it off of the site, but now that I know that it's at my local Sephora, I'm just gonna go there and purchase it again because I absolutely love this oil. Yeah, I'm just trying not to let it drip all over the floor. I don't know how people do it on Instagram, all nice and neat, but I am just in love with how this oil makes my skin look and feel. My skin has been really dry lately, so this oil has saved my skin. I feel like it is a true essential to my skin routine now, not just for a spa night. And of course I go in with some chapstick just to make my lips feel a little bit more moisturized. And then I always do this every night. I go in with my black Jamaican castor oil on my eyelashes and my eyebrows because I just want them to be fuller and I want my eyebrows to be thicker. So in this video I did pre-recorded it. My eyebrows are a lot thicker as of right now, but I feel like this castor oil has helped my eyebrows so much. I did do a video on this recently and I will link it down below if you guys haven't checked it out, but you will see why I love this oil. So that is normally what I do when it comes to a spa / pamper night routine. I absolutely love the outcome of how everything comes out every time I just take some time to myself and focus on my outside appearance. I feel like my skin looks amazing. I feel amazing after doing this, and I know it's not fancy like other YouTubers make their spa night routines, but this is what works for me, and I always feel like less is more. So on that note, you guys, I will definitely catch you in the next video, and let me know down below what your spa night routine is. Good night.